All right, today we are at the University of Ghana, one of the best universities in Ghana. But I mean, the question is not so much about the school today, it's about the people in the school. People have said many things about lawyers, and these things are often perceptions. They are just thoughts and preconceived ideas they have about the profession and the lawyers in the profession. Today we are on the campus of the University of Ghana to ask some people what their perceptions are about lawyers and their work. I'm Godwin Selassie Dakbo, and this is Make It Legal.
Make it legal.
Clifford, now that you know the camera is on, you want to... So I mean, people have all kinds of perceptions about lawyers. Some of them say that when a lawyer dies, they'll bury him face down. They will turn your face down. And then they say if you were a judge and you finish passing a death sentence, they also, you sort of bend your pen and throw it away. Have you heard some of these things about lawyers before?
Yeah, I've heard some before, but I've not experienced some before. Like, it's not some.
Yeah.
Be a lawyer, you have to have a spiritual background.
Okay.
Because you are trying to defend someone.
Against somebody else.
Yeah, against someone else. So you have to get a spiritual background just to back you up, protect you from any kind of harm. So it's normal if they put that thing on lawyers.
Okay, because they do some attacking and defending things. So if they're not careful, they'll kill them because they need backing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a perception out there. Okay, I have another question for you. Do you think that if someone is guilty of a particular crime, a lawyer should still defend that person?
Yeah, 100%.
That's right.
To the lawyer's perspective, that is what he was educated for. That's his job. That's what he does to feed his family. So he or she have to do it. But to the victim, I think he to deserve a second chance. Okay. That's why in Christianity, Jesus came to die for us.
Yeah.
Yes, not the righteous. Yes, something wrong.
They are laughing at you, right? Don't mind them. They are preaching today. Don't mind them. I mean,
you're talking about Christ.
Go ahead. Treat Christ to us.
Yeah. So I think
everyone deserves a second chance.
Yeah.
Even the most condemned people deserve a second chance. The Bible says that what we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Hey, you see. So even before we even talked about sinning, God has a provision to redeem us.
Yes.
How much more wouldn't the lawyer redeem a client who by mistake caused death, who by mistake has raped somebody? Or you cannot rape by mistake, eh?
Yeah.
You cannot rape by mistake.
Yeah.
Maybe you were drunk.
Drunk.
Yes.
Oh, wow. As a lawyer, you should know how you are positioning yourself, how you behave.
No, not the lawyer. I mean the victim, the person to be defended. He's saying that I was drunk and I slept with a lady, and then they are calling that rape.
So in terms of the judgment, I think things have to be put into consideration because sometimes someone might have a mental disorder and kill his or her friend. You can't judge him in relation or in accordance with someone who was mentally sound and killed his or her friend.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I think
you are right. In fact, in law, there is a defense to some criminal offenses. When you say that at the time of the acts, you were not in your right sense of mind, you were insane, you were suffering from some external thing or something you've taken is making you to not be able to reason whether or not what you are doing is a crime or not. Yeah. So it's a defense to you. If, for example, you kill someone, maybe you kill Vera intentionally, and they send you to court, and you go and plead, I am not guilty. Why? Why are you not guilty? They are saying that at the time I shoot the object at her, I was not in my right sense of mind. I was intoxicated. I was drunk. Or maybe you used to have some sort of experience. You sort of go insane at some period. Then you come back sane again. And you coming on and off. So at the time you caused the death, it was in the period where your insanity was high. Then you'll be excused. You'll be free. But her family will not forgive you. So they allow you to just get drunk.
In Ghana?
It works in Ghana, yes. This is a defense. Even there's a defense of self-defense. If I want to blow you and then you defend yourself by blow me back and then your blow now hits me and I collapse and I die, you will say that you were defending your life yourself. So the law cannot punish you for it. Yeah. Do you have a question for me too? You don't have questions? Hey, Clifford, you. All right, thank you so much. It's been nice talking with you. Have you ever wanted to become a lawyer before?
No,
But
I don't think
would you
so.
still want to become a lawyer? Do you want to become a lawyer in the future? Even though you are pursuing economics now, do you want to become a lawyer after your first degree?
No.
You don't want to. Why?
I know law basically is about reading. I am not a reading type.
You like the mathematics things. Okay. So when I give some small math question right now, you'll crack it for me.
I'll try my best.
Okay, then let's go. Let's go now. Let's do some legal mathematics. You can. Oh, but you say you're a mathematician. Anyway, I want to ask you a question that is about, the way people think about lawyers. Okay. Do you think that when a lawyer is handling his or her case, he's more concerned about making money from the case than helping the client with the challenges that the client has?
I would say it depends.
Okay, it depends on what. You answer like a lawyer. That's a lawyer's answer question. Whenever you ask a lawyer any question, he will always tell you that it depends, because a lot of things actually depend on some things. Things are not just, absolute in themselves, except God. So when you ask a lawyer a question, he always tells you it depends. So maybe you are a lawyer. So what does it depend on?
Okay, some people do law because their parents want them to do, and there's money inside.
There's money inside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From how people make us look like.
Believe,
law.
okay.
Yeah. So they will do it because they want the money, and there's money inside. And some people, they want to do it because that's their passion. They want to be there for people or represent people. Or some people, one of their relatives have been through something and they didn't have anyone to defend them. So because of that, they want to be a lawyer and represent
So that
people.
such a thing will not happen again in the family.
Yes.
Yeah. What about those who have small of all of them combined? If the money they like, if the passion is there, they also like it. If the small one is there, they like, that kind of thing.
Those people too are there.
But at the end of the day, you also have to make some small money for what you're doing.
Yes,
But
the
it
fact
should not
that
be the
they're
primary
defending
motivation.
people- yes, that's not
Okay.
their main motivation,
Okay.
but they will still get money.
Okay. So let's assume, just for purpose of discussion, that they say you have killed someone. You yourself, you know that you killed the person. God forbid, but you know you killed the person. And I am your lawyer. I'm to defend you and give you life again to come back and finish your program and become the best economist you want to be for the country and become the economic messiah. But you don't be the messiah.
I'll prefer the statistician.
Statistician. And then I am the one to defend you. Then I say, no, I can't, because you yourself say you are guilty. I know you are guilty, so why should I defend you? Should I defend you?
Yes, you're supposed to defend me.
Wow, why?
Because it's not in your power to declare that I'm guilty.
Oh, perfect. I mean, that's a nice answer. That's a nice answer. I get it, because you're a mathematician or statistician. You reason, statistically and in accordance with mathematics. I don't have a power to declare that you are guilty. But you yourself, do you have a power to declare that you are guilty yourself?
I know what I did. I've done
But you
it.
don't know the law.
Yeah, that is why I'm taking you as supposed
Okay.
to represent me, because
Okay.
you know it. And there are people that are guilty, but they will still give them second chance.
Okay, so you prefer that, even though the person thinks he has done it himself, he should be given a second chance.
Yes.
If possible, within the law. That's a nice one. Thank you so much for speaking with us. Now, the cameraman will start, so you don't get nervous.
Okay.
Like that. Your name?
Abite Theophilus.
Babite Theophilus. That's a powerful name, yeah? Come closer, small. Come closer for me. I am Godwin Selassie Dakpo, and this is Make It Legal.
Make it legal.